From dawn to late in the afternoon, Tae Lao Jin Seng is agog with activity. There are workers making flour and kneading dough with their hands, the authentic way to make Chinese pastries, using an over 100-year-old recipe. Bringing joy to people through their pastries has always been at the heart and soul of this family business for 4 generations.
The starting is from my grandfather, who sailed the boat to Bangkok, Thailand to start a new life. And he also bring the recipe with him and starting open the small Chinese pastry shop in Chinatown. Up until now, I can say that he is the first generation. The second is my father, and the third is my uncle, and the fourth should be me. The shop in Chinatown, over 100 years already. Since I was born, I saw the shop already.
Hard, long hours go into making these Chinese pastries, taking up to 24 hours to mix the ingredients to perfection.
Normally, we use about 24 hours to finish all the process. Start from we preparing all the green bean paste, the red bean paste, black bean paste, then all the ingredients that we have to use to make the filling of the Chinese pastry. And then after making the paste, we start with the crust to fill all the filling, like the green bean or something like that. Since the beginning until the end, about 12 hours, and then another 12 hours for the Chinese pastry to cool down. That's it.
In this day and digital age where sometimes food and desserts are made to be Instagrammable, rather than being focused on taste, becoming a real-world legend is not an easy task. Over 100 years of practice, this homemade style pastry continues to bring people to the shop all day long, sometimes even queuing up for a while to lay their hands and tongues on these delightful desserts.
Legendary, I like this word. Mooncake is start over 2,000 years ago in China. You can say that it's legendary, but my shop over 100 years, so should be legendary, like you said. And my mooncake is a people mooncake. Everybody can buy it and can taste it. The taste is never changed for 100 years.
There are many pastry selections, but the stars of Tae Lao Jin Seng, dubbed as the King and Queen by Mr. Sermchai, are the durian filling and 5 grains of nuts.
3 days ago, there is one family from Italy. He came and I let him try the 5 grain of nut. He loved it. Every single day, he will come back and buy the 5 grain nut. That is superb.
Located in Talad Noi near Chinatown, everyone can get their hands on these Chinese pastry goodies, because just hearing how good they are is simply not the same as tasting them. You need to try it for yourself.